Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Whoa! Where did this come from? An absolute bombshell. A bomb has just landed into the crypto market. Ripple to launch cryptocurrency trading marketplace for enterprises. What? I mean, we knew. Brad Garlinghouse, long time ago, he said, we're not going to be a book inside Amazon. We're going to be our own Amazon. And it all starts to make sense. So fintech firm Ripple has announced plans to launch Liquidity Hub, a product that will enable enterprise clients to access cryptocurrencies from global exchanges, market makers, and over-the-counter OTC platforms. One of the biggest news of the year. I've got something to play for you. Watch this. Goosebumps. Goosebumps.
It's no longer an idea or something on the horizon. It's here. A reality today. Crypto. And it's already a part of how businesses and people trade, move, and manage value. In 2021, established financial institutions such as PayPal, Square, Visa, and MasterCard built out crypto-based products and services. This type of institutional enthusiasm indicates that crypto is here to stay. Today, enterprises are looking to diversify asset holdings, to offer crypto trading services to end customers, to pay employees in crypto, and to accept crypto as a form of payment. To support these activities, institutions need access to crypto liquidity. Coming in 2022 and beyond, at Ripple, we're building Liquidity Hub. Once launched, Ripple's Liquidity Hub platform will enable companies to seamlessly access crypto from a variety of venues. The product will support a turnkey integration and allow companies to offer their end customers the ability to buy, sell, and hold crypto. Enterprises will be able to maintain separate accounts via Ripple's custody solution and monitor and analyze transactions through a comprehensive dashboard. But that will be just the beginning for Liquidity Hub. As a leading liquidity platform, it will enable many additional enterprise applications for crypto and serve as a cost-effective way to source a variety of new and cutting-edge crypto assets. Join us for this exciting journey as we explore new horizons and applications of crypto.
Wow. 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 If there was ever any doubt about where XRP, on-demand liquidity, and the future of this organization, it's going to be insane. Wow. I mean, there is just so much to unpack from this, and we will, in the coming days, weeks, and months, talk a lot about this, right? But coming in 2022, Ripple Liquidity Hub, and this is going to be insane. A plug-and-play simple API connection to a breadth of liquidity pools, optimized pricing, access to capital, on demand for enterprises around the world. Game changer. Absolute game changer. And as you can imagine, the news has traveled far and wide. Ripple launches new crypto solution, Liquidity Hub, beyond XRP. And it is one of the biggest news of the year. Make no mistake about it. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Ripple will be in the center of everything to do with on-demand liquidity around the world. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But it will be in the center of everything. The coming years for Ripple and XRP are going to be absolutely legendary. Legendary. Now, let's have a look at another thing that came out. So, Swell, the Ripple Swell event took place. Leading industry discussions, networking, and interactive, this has taken place. And it was massive because the big news to come out of it was Gallery.swell www.ripple.com. Now, I'm going to have this music playing in the background, which is part of this website when you go on it. But let's take a look. I mean, this is so amazing. I mean, NFTs on the Ripple mainnet are going to be phenomenal. Like, look at this thing. You can zoom in, you can zoom out on it. You can see who the artist is, learn more about the artist. I love the music touch as well to it. I mean, NFTs, Liquidity Enterprise Hub dashboards. Oh my god, I mean, the future looks so innovative, so bright, so disruptive. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. But we have to keep going. Now, the kickoff of the event has taken place, and you know we'll find out all the other key major points that happened throughout it. But that one there was one of the biggest ones, and I think if there was ever any doubt that the XRP blockchain would play a role in the NFT space, there is no doubt it will. Talk about prices. Of course, we're going to talk about the price, where we're at, where we're going, what is happening, how we're going to get there. We'll talk about all of that today, right? Now, nothing changes. There is a price resistance at the moment that is taking place, and at the time of making this video, we're sitting at $1.24 at the moment. So we'll talk about all of that and where we're at right now. But this pullback is very healthy, very, very, very healthy and very needed. The on-demand liquidity, right? It's going to be just... I just have no words to describe to you how it's going to be amazing. Now, SBI is again on the move, right? So SBI Ripple Asia rolls out Thailand, US, Europe remittance channel. So not only are they going to Africa, they're going everywhere. They're going everywhere. Like the news about on-demand liquidity, CBDCs, just how Ripple and the XRP blockchain are going to be connecting the world, it just keeps going and going and going, right? It's news after news after news after news. Slowly but surely, the whole world is connected with this blockchain. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. And we'll definitely talk about the key areas, the pullback that we've had, where are we going and what's happening. Now, for those of you that are Crypto Serpent listeners in Adelaide, Australia, the Adelaide very first crypto bar is launching. I'm going to put the link in the comments. I'm going to pin it. But if you're in Adelaide, come along. Free event. There is only 150 tickets available. You have to have a ticket to come along. No cost to come, but it is Adelaide's very first crypto bar where you can go to the bar and you can actually accept cryptocurrency. It's a collaboration between me and Little Red Door, which is an existing venue here in Adelaide. A trial concept, and if it goes well, it will be rolled out full time. But if you're in Adelaide, I want you here because I want to meet you, I want to talk to you, I want to know what you're up to in the crypto space, and of course cash payments and card payments will be allowed as well. But this is an innovative night. Glam Adelaide have also featured on the news today. We've got already 34% of the tickets gone. I hope I can see you there just to meet you guys, right? But if you're in Adelaide, definitely come check it out. Let's jump into Atani. Let's have a look at some indicators. Now, as we begin to look at the charts, we're looking at the moment, and particularly on the daily. On the daily, you can see that from a Bollinger Band perspective, it's perfect. Outside, back in, perfectly aligned. RSI back where it should be. And this is what I'm talking about, right? You gotta have pullbacks. Like, you cannot go up forever. So pullbacks are healthy. They're good. You can see on the hourly where we're at right now. We were right at the exact point that we needed to be from a Bollinger Band perspective, and now we are hitting back up. Is it time to go back up just yet? Maybe a little bit more before we continue our rise. But pullbacks are healthy, needed, necessary, and like I said, it's very, very, very good. Now, from a 12-hour perspective, you can see that the MACD is sitting on a bullish, and on the daily, of course, we are very, 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 very bullish. So small steps, one step at a time, and then from here, then we'll go to 135, good resistance point, and then 150, 178, 198, 220, and then beyond. But let's look at some drawings. Tonight we begin with this, and this is particularly to showcase where the movements are coming from a breaking the previous all-time high perspective. And so from a breaking previous all-time high perspective, I did say, we'll probably go 420, 450, but there is room. There is definitely room for this to happen. And this could occur, based on this particular chart. If we zoom out and look at, how this is projecting, right? The first step that we do, once we do break the previous all-time high, could be 7. But I think 420 to 450 is probably where we end up first. Consolidate for a little bit, and then we go up and go into double digits. And I did always mention, and like I said, I know I'm running out of days because we're already on the 10th of November, but a settlement and double digit XRP, and I think I'm going to get both of them. Right? It's just moving so smooth at the moment. The plan is in action. From a charts perspective, the pullback that we've had is healthy. And then we're ready to fly towards that 190. 190 will be a major resistance point. And then after we break that, it's 220. Consolidating above 220, then we have a clear road ahead towards $3. Because last time it was $3, it went from 220 to $3 very quickly, so there was no resistance. And I think will be the same. How do we get to 2? Something along these lines is how we're gonna get to that $2 mark. But it's so exciting. So exciting. Then at the 168-ish, there will be some resistance. And then we'll break out towards that 230. But 190, 163 and 190 are major resistance points, and we have to monitor how it goes when we get to that. Now keep in mind that this is excluding legal clarity and SEC, because if that happens, then we are out of the single digits and into double digits overnight. It's going to be, having legal clarity is just huge. But getting to 442, these are the major points. The 170, the 220 to 240 is a major point, and then we go straight to 442, break the previous all-time high, consolidate for a little bit, and then we are out. We're out of here into double-digit zone. What an exciting news that came out today. What an exciting year it has been for Ripple, despite all the adversity. But my, oh my, has the future of Ripple and XRP ever looked brighter? What is launching in 2022? What will come in 2022, 2023 and beyond will blow everybody away. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.